Welcome back, guys. Today we are back with another problem, and today's problem is missing and repeating numbers in an array. So it's an important and easy problem of an array. What you will be seeing in this problem, before going deeper into the problem, I would like to tell you guys to subscribe to my channel. Okay, to subscribe to my channel, and it helps me grow and makes me put more amazing content in the channel. So before let us just discuss the problem statement now. So what is the problem statement saying? Is that given an unsorted array. So, okay, so whenever we have problem statement reading, we have to just see that there will be an unsorted array. There will be an unsorted array means the values are not in an ascending or descending order. One number A from the set is missing. Okay, so a number A is missing. Okay, a number A is missing, and a number B is occurring twice. B is occurring twice. So what you can see, if my array is equals to 2 comma 2, if my array is equals to 2 comma 2, the length of the array is 2. Okay, and there are total elements which are whose count is greater than 1 is 2. Okay, and any value which is missing but which is lesser than this particular value can be only 1. So my output will contain 2 and 1. Okay, 2 is signifying repeating. Okay, 2 is signifying repeating, and 1 is signifying the count of the missing value, the count of the missing value 1. Okay, so what I am seeing, let us take another example. We have an array equals to 1 3 3. So the count which is greater than 1 is 2. Okay, so what you can see is there are 3. The number 3 is occurring more than once, so this value will be there. And any value which is missing is what? 2. So 2 is our missing value. Okay, and 3 is our repeating value. 3 is our repeating value, and 2 is our missing value. Okay, 2 is our missing value. So how we are going to solve this problem? So we will be taking a algorithm. We'll be writing the algorithm. Store in resulting array. Store in resulting array. The what we are going to store? We are going to store the missing value plus repeating value. We have to store the resulting array plus the missing array and the repeating value. Okay, we have to store the resulting array and the missing value and the repeating values in the array. After that, we will be having a frequency array. We'll be having a frequency array to store the count of the repeating values, to store count of repeating values. Okay, to store the count of repeating values. Once we have taken the store the count of the repeating values, what we have to do is we will be just running through a loop to check the count. Okay, we'll be checking the count, and along with that, if it appears more, we are going to store in result. If it appears going more, then we are going to store in the resulting array. And lastly, what we are going to do, we are going to return that resulting array and print the resulting array. So before any delays, let us go and solve this easy problem. So yeah, thing is I'll be having a resulting array equals to new int of 2. Okay, and I'll be having a frequency array. So in the frequency array, what I can write, new int and array dot length. Okay, new int array dot length. Okay, so this part is done. This part is done. Once this is done, I'll be having a loop I equals to 0 length I plus plus. Okay, and I'll be having a frequency array of I, array of I minus 1 plus plus. Okay, so if over here what I'll be checking is if my frequency of array of I minus 1 is greater than 1. Okay, what I'll be writing is a resultant of 0 is equals to array of I. Okay, so I can get the frequency map easily. Okay, I can get the frequency map easily. What else do I left with? So once this part of the process is done, I can run another loop for int I0 less than frequency dot length. Okay, I'm checking the frequency. So if my frequency of the value I is equals to 0, what I'll be doing is resultant of 1 equals to I plus 1. Okay, and I can return my result Let's compile. Let's submit. So we have successfully solved today's problem statement. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and it helps me grow. What I can write over here, to count frequency of element. Okay, over here, to store one missing and one repeating values. Okay, over here what we are doing, first we are checking the frequency of the counter. If the frequency of the counter, we are increasing it, and if the frequency of the counter is greater than 1, then what we are going to put that value, particular value, into the first position of the resultant array. First position is a repeating element. Okay, similarly what over here we are doing, frequency of 1, in the second position we are finding the missing value. Missing value means the frequency is not 1, so I can write missing value is stored at second position. So this is my second. Whenever the position is 1, 0 and 1 are the only two positions, that's the reason I have taken it as 2. So whenever, remember, I'm putting it as 1, that means I'm storing the second value. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for being with me.